we can add here something that seems a little bit strange. If we look at most other festivals, they're ritualistic practices that go with the festival. So if we're speaking about Rosh Hashanah, we blow the shofar. We speak about Yom Kippur, we've got the lack of eating and the other rituals that are involved. We speak about Sukkot, it's sitting in Sukkah. What do we have to show? What rituals do we have when it comes to Chag HaShavuos? Well, it's very interesting. We mentioned before that Shavuot is called Atzeret. Atzeret means to stop. And if we look at the Ramban, for example, he explains it means the end, completion. And there's this idea where it's not about anything. It's not about the doing or having. It's about the being. That we here are being one with the Torah. That all we have is Am Yisrael and the Torah, nothing else in between, no rituals in between. And it's important to note what we read in Parshas Shemais 19 and Exodus 19 2, where the Jews encamped as one. He uses a strange language, not in plural, but as individuals, as individual and singular, that we camped as one. The Nakuda is that Am Yisrael and the Torah are one. There's another question that could be asked as well. We're not even given the Torah in Eretz Yisrael. It's not that we don't have practices and rituals that we experience on Shavuos. The Torah wasn't even given in Eretz Yisrael. Why? Because there was a fear. If it was going to be given in Eretz Yisrael, if we weren't in Eretz Yisrael, we wouldn't be able to practice the Torah. So B'dafka, nothing can get in the way. Not even Eretz Yisrael can get in the way, which seems crazy. There's no rituals, because wherever we are, whatever we're doing, we can be Torah Yidden. We can be Torah Yidden. And Shavuos is a celebration. It's a chuppah of the chassan and the kala. We're the kala, the Torah is the chassan. And I remember, I'll just end here, I'll remember when I took my kala to meet the Biala Rebbe. We went to the Biala Rebbe. The Biala Rebbe looked at my kala and said to her, "You know that Yeshua is married already." And she looks at me, "What? What do you mean that he's married already?" He says, "Well, when he was bar mitzvah, he got married to the Torah. He got married to the Torah." So Be'ezras Hashem Mamish, we should be able to tap in and celebrate this reality that there's mamish nothing in the way. It's just us in the Torah.